Hello everyone, Olivia here, and for today's video, let's do a bonus reading para sa Sagittarius. So if you have heavy Sagittarius placements sa iyong natal chart or sa iyong Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and Saturn placements even, this video might be for you. Or if you are a Sagittarius cross watcher na nanonood nito, or may kakilala kang Sagittarius, or ang partner mo ay Sagittarius, tapos napadaan sa itong video na ito, this message might be for you. This is a bonus reading. So, let's check kung anong meron. Sagittarius. Pasensya na kayo sa mga unnecessary na ingay na inyong maririnig. But I hope maging claro or clear ang messages for you, Sagittarius. Let's see. Messages for Sagittarius. We have first card, the Devil card. I heard the word attention. Attention. Oh, saan mo ba pinaglalaan? Or saan ba nakafocus ang iyong attention lately, Sagittarius? Or maaaring meron kang mga pangyayari sa buhay mo na hindi na nakakabuti for you. There is this certain attachment that is not healthy for you. Part siya ng routine mo, I can see it, pero kahit na sanay na yung body mo, you know na nire-reject na ito ng iyong intuition or ng pakiramdam, pero patuloy mo pa rin tong ginagawa, or still you're continue na ine-entertain ito. We have the World card. 10 of Cups. Ace of Swords. Ten of Pentacles. So, Sagittarius. Who's there for yourself? Let's see. Give me the message. Judgment. Two of Wands. The Empress. Five of Pentacles. Temperance. This is a Sagittarius card. Another set of cards for Sagittarius. I can see there is awakening na nangyayari sa iyo. We got 10 of Swords. Ang daming major events na paparating or dumarating sa iyo, Sagittarius. Kahit na you are trying to focus on this one, for some of you here, inaayos mo yung sarili mo or pine-prepare mo yung sarili mo sa isang malaking event or pinaghahandaan mong pangyayari sa buhay mo. Pero andito ka pa rin sa estado ng, or yung mental state mo, para pa rin pakiramdam mo may kulang. For some of you here, you have to focus on your health. Although hindi po ako nagre-reading ng tungkol sa health, or I'm not an expert when it comes to health aspects, you have to focus on your health. Balance everything. Find balance in everything. For some of you here, medyo nagkakaroon kayo ng toxic attention when it comes to achieving your goals, your dreams, focusing on your career, na binabaliwala or nababaliwala yung inyong health dito. What else for Sagittarius? Three of Swords, the Hierophant, Three of Pentacles, the High Priestess. So, what else? Kuha tayo ng mga 20 cards for you. Death card, Queen of Pentacles, Three of Cups, the Strength. This is for your outlook or results. And Eight of Wands reverse. Ang daming major challenges na mangyayari sa buhay mo right now, Sagittarius, pero my intuition is focusing on your health. Do not forget yourself when it comes to achieving your goals. Baka sa sobrang focus mo sa pag-achieve ng position mo sa job mo ngayon, or sa iyong school, kung ikaw mo na ay nakatuon sa trainings, pag-aaral, you have to look out or look after sa iyong health. Meron din ako nakikitang decision making dito na pwedeng may lapitan kang 2 tao or 3 taong malapit sa iyo that you will ask or seek for their advice, and mas magkakaroon ka ng clarity sa sarili mo, or mas alam mo yung inner guidance mo pag nakausap mo na yung mga taong importante sa iyo, yung pinapahalagahan yung opinions mo, pinapahalagahan mo yung mga thoughts, and helping you decide sa mga bagay na importante sa iyo. Mas magkakaroon ka ng clarity, mas maririnig mo yung inner voice mo, kumbaga. For some of you here naman, meron ako nakitang pagbawi, or yung inaasahan mong lakas or strength sa pag-uumpisa or pagpapatuloy ng isang bagay, or pagpapatuloy ng isang bagay, magkakaroon ng pagtigil yun. Meron ka mang pinaghahandaan or hinahandang celebrations, maring may delays dito na paparating, so do not be discouraged on that. Pero I can see there is a shift when it comes to plans. Pwedeng next month mo na siyang ituloy, or next week, but I can see pwedeng next week, or it's hindi siya matutuloy like this week. If you're expecting a celebration this week, I can see na pwedeng hindi muna siya mangyari. And for some of you here naman, you are still, when it comes to love aspects, you have to stop yourself from forcing na okay na ako, I am healed na, I can talk about it because I am okay na. For some of you here, hindi pa talaga naghihilom yung sugat when it comes to partnership, especially if yung relationship or your current relationship right now is tinitingnan mong very stable na, very, alam mo yung pang happy ending na yung aura, but you know deep down it's not giving you the best outlook in life, or it's not giving you the positivity or the expectations na meron ka para sa relationship na to. For some of you here, be careful then when it comes to engaging to someone new, especially if this person is very tricky, very not naman lahat ng funny person na darating sa buhay mo ay hindi totoo sa'yo, but I can see that if you are someone actively looking for someone new in a romantic sense, be very careful when it comes to, alam mo yung very playful kayo nagsimula, and then boom, biglang mawawala. You have to really listen to your intuition. And most of you here, you have to as well find a way to to center your decision when it comes to your life sa sarili mo. Do not allow everyone na mag-decide ka it's because of them. And for some of you here naman, find some time to really assess if you are really healing or just avoiding things because you're afraid na maging vulnerable. And delays, okay lang yan. There is some major plans here na magbabago or nagbago na, pero you're still grieving sa plans na yun. You have to find a way to release that ng kahit mabagal lang. And again, when it comes to your health, please pay attention. Sa ganun, wag ka masyadong magpakampante. So, this is your reading, Sagittarius. Sana ay naka-help. Thank you!